Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. Can your dishes do this? Well, mine can because I have dishes by TurtingAs. When the weather is good, I love eating outside. So having a set of dishes that can hold up to it is really important to me. They are very strong and durable. When I first saw that they were made with wheat straw, I thought that they would be more of like a durable cardboard material, but they're actually really solid. They hold up to dropping, obviously, and also the microwave and dishwasher. If you are someone that likes to camp or travel by RV and you're bringing dishes along with you, then these would be a great option for you because you don't have to worry about them breaking if you're hitting any bumps. I love that the flatware actually has its own little carrying case. I feel like flatware is something that's the easiest to misplace, so being able to keep it all together in this little cute container keeps everything together but also keeps it clean. Not only are you getting a set of dishes for 4 people, but as a little bonus, it comes with the most adorable fruit forks and little mini plates that you have ever seen. So if you're looking for a great set of travel dishes, or maybe you've just got kids and you don't want to worry about broken dishes, I really recommend this set by TurtingAs. And that's my point of view.